Hey guys, it's me, Jocelyn. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a look inspired by the one and only Selena Quintanilla. If you haven't heard of her, you should definitely go look her up and everything. She was a really big inspirational figure for anyone who was Latin American or so on and so forth. And in lieu of Hispanic Heritage Month, this is something that I thought would be the best fit for a video this week. I'm gonna be watching the Selena movie. It is phenomenal and it really captures like her essence and who she was as a person, I believe. I personally didn't know her obviously, but I feel like this really renders a good image for her. If you want to see parts of the movie and see my reactions to the movie, even though I've seen it a million times, or see what I come up with for a look, then please keep watching. Prep the skin, obviously. Oh my god, what I would do to like go to one of her concerts. Such a tragedy. So if you don't know who Selena is, she was a singer. I believe she was from Texas, but she actually didn't speak Spanish growing up, but her dad began to teach her. From what they picture her as, she kind of felt like this, her and her family at least, felt like they were in this in-between, like they were Hispanic, they were Mexican, so they weren't invited in like the white society. But on the other hand, like they didn't, like for her, she didn't speak Spanish, so they weren't viewed as Hispanic enough for that like population or that group. I don't know what to call it. But it's you know, I find myself like I feel the same way in a lot of ways sometimes. Oh hey Luna. Anyways, some of the products I'm gonna be using are Hispanic owned businesses, like I said, in lieu of Hispanic Heritage Month. So yeah, I'll let you know which ones are. From what I heard, she was an excellent performer too. Like I said, what I would do to like go to one of her shows. I'll link down all the products that I'm using in the description below, by the way. But yeah, what I was saying, the beginning of the movie is her like performing. It's not her songs that she performs, but she absolutely kills it. Oh, I didn't mention this also, like, but the actress, the person who's acting as Selena is J-Lo, Jennifer Lopez. And she looks like almost exactly like her. Like, it's so weird. Growing up, I was so confused because I knew that Selena had died, but like they came out with this video, this movie, and I was so confused because I was like, how is she on the movie? But too young to understand that it was someone acting as her. So this is the picture I'm gonna be using. So it looks like a very highlighted brow bone, smoky but natural colors for eyeshadows. So I'm gonna use this. What are you doing? So yeah, I'm just dipping into this one right here. Some of the parts of the movie, it's obviously music, so I can't post it because I'll get flagged and we don't want that. Oop. Looks like she kind of brings it up here. So sad how people were like treated this way. I mean, people are still treated this way. Yeah, this movie really hits everything. Use this. Yeah, it looks like she uses a lot of neutral colors. Obviously, I'm gonna be doing that red lip that she does because that's her signature look. Going into this, nope, just kidding, this one right here. Her eyeliner is kind of similar to what I do. Imagine if like Abraham, Selena's dad, didn't like do anything about his daughter's talent or like starting a band or anything. She wouldn't have like gained the audience she deserved and like the recognition she deserved. Like watching her interviews and stuff, she just seems like such a like beautiful like but also spicy type of soul. Like, I don't know, need more people like that in terms of celebrities. A few years ago I dressed up as her for Halloween, and it was so funny because like it wasn't anything crazy. I just had my hair up in a ponytail, and then I wore like high-waisted jeans and what was it? She wore, here I'll put a picture, but like she wore this white button down and just like tied it, wore the red lipstick, and people were like, "Oh my god, you're Selena," and I was like, thank you. I didn't even have to like say anything. But I don't know. It was kind of cool. I'm gonna be using this. Something else that really inspires me is like, I mean, yeah, it's kind of, sometimes it seemed like rushed decisions that like Selena's family made. Like especially Abraham, like her dad. Like him opening a restaurant and just like, I don't know, them losing their money from that, and then like buying an RV and like going on tours and getting Selena to like get well known a little bit more in the music industry. And I think that was like, and he quit his job on top of it. It's inspirational how he just like took those leaps to make his daughter have the life that she deserved, or like the dream that she deserved. But yeah. I'm gonna be using the Rare Beauty liquid blush, cream blush. I can't remember the name of it. I got Love. It's teaching her Spanish. Selena Gomez was actually named after Selena too. Gonna try to fix this. I was not expecting it to be that pigmented. She was pretty freaking tan. Like, I'm tan, but I'm not Selena tan. Yeah, very good. Very pigmented. Be careful. Makeup Revolution brow products. I love how this movie's very like transparent with gender and society and the music industry and racism and all that. It touches really politics, it touches really on everything. You could tell the dad was a little bit like controlling, or a lot of it. For good reason though. He doesn't want his kids hurt. She definitely had thinner brows than me because that was the look back then, but I'm not gonna shave my eyebrows for this. Another Rare Beauty makeup product. This is the Outshine Liquid Luminizer, and it's a highlight. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, another Hispanic owned company, the Alamar Cosmetics. This is the blush. I'm just gonna put a little bit on because I already went crazy with blush, but I'm gonna use the Seclusions blush right here. Looks like she lines her lips with a color that's darker though. I don't have a lip liner that's that color, but I'll use this, the Jeffree Star Liquid Lip. And I'll try to like line it. Let's see how this works. I've never done this before. It's called Ho Ho Ho, but like not like the Santa kind of ho, but like okay. I guess. Oh my god, this part's so funny. Like it cracks me up. Salinas! Anything for Salinas. Selena reminds me of my little sister a little bit. Alright, so this is the NARS. Nope, just kidding. This is the Bite Beauty Amuse Boucher. I don't know how to say it. Lipstick in Cayenne. It smells so good. It smells like a lemon cookie, lemon drop cookie. Oh yeah, I don't know if you knew this, but like Selena had a niche for like fashion. Like I think she was gonna start her own clothing line and everything, but so this is her future husband. He still like posts about her on Instagram and like it hurts my heart and like so cute. Like you can tell, even though he like remarried, that's his like first love, like Selena. Urban Decay Eyeliner setting spray. Oh, this is Monsieur Big Lancôme. This is me and my sister. Anything. This is off limits to you. Then have Selena just like takes her chips. That's literally my little sister. Oh, wow, I almost forgot. Am I okay? Going back into the palette, I need this light color. And then she did have a bright brow bone. I'm gonna curl my hair. Yes, I'm frying my hair, but you know. Just touched it. Why am I so clumsy? My arms are starting to hurt. That hurts. That hurts. That hurts. I like to brush my hair out. Okay, so I'm not gonna ruin the whole movie for you. If you want to see how it ends, which, spoiler alert, she does die. I mean, it is based off a true story. Even still now to this day, everyone still loves her, obviously. Sadly, she had to go too soon. I guess this completes the look. Yeah, it's Hispanic Heritage Month. But yeah, if you enjoy watching me, makeup tutorials, fashion, my cats, which I don't think you can see them, but they're just sleeping on my bed sadly right now. But yeah, if you like any of the above that I've listed, please keep watching, please subscribe, like, comment, do all those things, that'd be really cool. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys.